Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to make your photo look to a snowy scene using Dreamface, and the best part, you can do it for free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just go ahead to Play Store and then just download it from there. And once it's installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface has a free plans with weekly credit, so you can start creating this right away without spending a cent. Okay, next, after you log in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on Magic Effect, this one. This is where the fun really begins. Dreamface has tons of creative animations options, and today we will focus on wintry one. Just scroll down until you find the effect called snow walking. This one, just tap on it. This effect will make your photo walk through a snowy landscape, perfect for that cozy winter vibe. Next, just choose the photo that you want to animate. Just tap on plus button. Just pick one where the subject is clear so the animation will look amazing. And after that, just tap on confirm. And once your photo is uploaded, just tap on create and Dreamface will work its magic. This one, just tap on it. And okay, like this, it takes just a few moments, and your photo is now walking through a winter wonderland with snow falling around it. Like this, it's so beautiful. And okay, that's it, a simple fun way to turn any photo into a magical winter animations. Just give it a try, and then if you enjoy this video, just don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.